The people who come here, come from all over the world, are known for what it is that they do.
Hi, my name is Philip Morley. I'm a custom furniture maker out of Wimberley, Texas.
Hey everyone, I'm Alex Snodgrass. I'm from Christiansburg, Virginia.
Hi, my name is David Finck. I'm a luthier from North Carolina.
Hi, I'm Dixie Biggs. I'm from Gainesville, Florida, and I'm basically a wood turner.
Hi, my name is Kevin Boyle. I'm from Winterset, Iowa, which is a little small town just outside of Des Moines, Iowa.
I'm Tom Latané from Pepin, Wisconsin, and I'm teaching a blacksmith class.
I'm Matt Birdie. I'm from Oakridge, Oregon.
I'm Wesley Bushor. I'm from Tomahawk, Wisconsin, which is north central Wisconsin.
My name is George Vondriska. My shop is up in Hammond, Wisconsin.
Hi, my name is Millard-Mendez, and I'm a professor of art at the University of Southern Indiana in Evansville, Indiana.
My name is Joe Mross. I'm from Eugene, Oregon.
I'm Sam Lacina. I'm from Michigan.
I'm Alan Lacer. I'm a wood rounder, originally from Oklahoma. I live in Wisconsin now for about 23 years.
Hey, my name's John Beaver from Pacific Palisades, California, just outside of Los Angeles. Kind of known for my wavy bowl designs.
My name's Ralph Buschbacher, and I live about 45 minutes north of here in Carmel, Indiana.
Hi, I'm Adrian Ferrazzutti. I'm from Guelph, Ontario, Canada, just outside Toronto.
I'm Dave Wantz, and I am from Indianapolis, just a couple of miles up the road. And I learned about Mark Adams School of Woodworking because Mark Adams is a graduate of the school that I worked at.
Hi there, my name is Frank Straza. I'm from down in Texas.
My name is Pat Moore. I'm the instructor for the stereotomy class. I hail from Canada.